Hello, 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 welcome back to my channel. So today I just wanted to show everyone how to apply lip gloss. So it seems like it's pretty easy, but some people don't know how to apply it for whatever reason. So I'm here to share. So I'm just gonna apply this ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip, and this is in the shade My Jam. But first I'm just gonna put the lip liner on, and this is the lip liner Curvii. It's also from ColourPop, but I have a zillion lip liners from NYX also, so you can use NYX if you don't want to order online. So I just put the lip liner on, if you can see here. And for the lip gloss, I just take the wand like so, and then I put it on the bottom first. I always do my bottom first, I don't know why. And you can see this is it's very pretty, very metallic. I mean, it's very everyday, matches everything. It's a nude. Yeah. So I put it on here. Blot my lips, press them together, and then I do the top also. And I go a little bit over my lips, just because it makes them look more pouty and more supple. Supple and pouty. Boom. Yeah, so this is how I do my lip gloss. Boom. Nice and easy peasy. So for my next how-to, who knows what it's gonna be. If anyone has any suggestions or requests or anything, make sure you leave a comment. You definitely want to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on awesome makeup vids. Yeah, but thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. Did you subscribe? I don't think you subscribed, but you should subscribe, okay? Or if you're not going to subscribe, at least keep watching. Alright, till the next video. Bye.